case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2005 legal case of Johnson v. California, an African-American inmate named Garrison Johnson raised a red flag against a policy implemented by the California Department of Corrections, CDC. Under this policy, prisoners would be segregated by race in double cells for up to 60 days upon entering a new correctional facility. Johnson claimed this infringed upon his 14th Amendment rights, voicing that such racial segregation was an equal protection violation. Originally, the district court dismissed Johnson's racial discrimination claim, consequently ruling in favor of the CDC by using the principle of qualified immunity. However, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals later overturned this decision, highlighting that Johnson indeed had a legitimate claim against the apparent racial bias. The CDC defended its policy by attributing the segregation to the prevention of racial gang violence, but also stated that prisoners are allowed to choose their cellmates after the initial 60-day period, barring any security concerns. Upon appeal to the Supreme Court, the case's outcome was reevaluated. The Supreme Court declared that the CDC's policy of racial segregation needed to undergo strict scrutiny due to the inherent risk of discriminatory practices. Instead of accepting race-neutral policies, the court ruled that the CDC needed to present compelling evidence to demonstrate the necessity of their policy and show how it directly contributed to their compelling interest in ensuring prison safety. The decision was reversed, sending the case back to the lower court for reevaluation under the strictly scrutinized criteria. However, the Supreme Court did not issue a final verdict on whether the CDC's policy violated the Equal Protection Clause.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.